Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Buldak chicken. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making Buldak chicken. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have a 1/4 cup of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of Korean rice syrup, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1 pound of boneless chicken, medium dice. Alright, I want to explain a few things about some of the ingredients here. We've got the gochujang, which is basically a Korean red pepper powder. This is it right here. If you cannot get this in the States, I've got a link in my Amazon store down there, but red pepper flakes work just as fine for this. And what we have here is the Korean rice syrup. It comes in these little packets of about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons in there. It is not in English, so I don't know. But I've measured out the 3 tablespoons. This is also down on my Amazon store. If you want to click that link down there, you'll see. But if you don't have this or don't want to go get it or spend money to have it delivered to you or whatever, go ahead and just use honey. That will work just as well. Now for the chicken, this is the Costco brand that my wife gets, already cooked and it's already cut up. I am not a spokesman for this company at all. I just love the product, and we're making this recipe today. It's a speed scratch version of it, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's head over to the stove. All right, like we always do, we have our mise en place right there. Got our pan, we got all the ingredients in the background and utensils with which to cook this recipe. So let's focus on this pan and we'll start making it. All right, I'm gonna throw the oil in there. And our garlic. I just want to get the garlic to start cooking and add a little essence to the pan. I'm going to add our chicken. Normally the recipe calls for you to use raw chicken, dice it up, throw it into a bag, and use all the ingredients that you have in this recipe to marinate this. But we're going to do this the speed scratch way, because everybody I know is working. They want to come home and just throw together a nice meal. So that's why I'm here, to help you guys out. We've got the chicken going, we got the garlic in there. I'm going to throw that Korean red pepper right in there. Mix that up in there as well. Kind of add the dry ingredients into the chicken before you add the wet ingredients. Get our ginger, our pepper. Now we can start adding all the different liquids into this. Make sure it's all mixed up. And we got our gochujang, basically Korean barbecue sauce. Stir that up. Oh, powerful aroma coming off of this. Then our rice syrup in there. I'm just going to stir this all up. I don't think you need to marinate this. I think those flavors are going to attach themselves right onto this chicken. Alright, I'm going to turn it off. Keep it warm. What we normally do now is we plate this up, put it into a nice scene, take a ton of pictures of it with some groovy music, and then we taste it. It'll go away. In there, you can just see all that pepper and all that wonderful flavor with the red color. So give a little taste here with both aspects. pepper. That's what I taste right off the bat. A little bit of sweetness from that rice syrup, and the pepper keeps coming in. It's not a hot pepper, it's a very flavorful pepper. It's not like it's going to blow you away with the heat, but this is really, really good. I know they take the chicken when they make it, yeah, they put it on pizza and then cover it with cheese and everything, and I've seen pictures of that. I should have done that, but I like this better because it really does have a nice look to it. Yeah. This is fantastic. Very good, very quick and easy to make. If you've got the ramen and the cooked chicken already, I strongly urge you to make this. You will not regret it. Recipes over at itsonlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.